My name's Nicola Eagleton and I'm going to be showing you how to make a cake using eggs, butter, flour and caster sugar to make the cake first of all. So we just need to measure out the ingredients. First of all we take the butter. We need about, this needs a knife. So let's take some of the butter, about that much I'd say, and then just put that in the bowl. Cupful of caster sugar. Okay, pop that in the bowl as well. Then just mix those together until it's like soft and creamy. So that mix. Might take a while. Oh, whilst we're doing this as well, we need to make sure we've preheated the oven. So the oven's on to about 200 degrees. I'm still there. Or guess mark 6 if you're working from numbers. So as you can see, it's starting to go quite light and creamy, quite soft. When you've got it on that, it's about right. We need to break 2 eggs into that. One thing. 2. And 2. Then just mix them in. Okay, then we need to get the flour. So we need the same amount of flour as we had the sugar, so another cupful. Just put that in there. So it's quite equal like that. And then just stir that in as well, gradually, so don't put it in all at once. Right. Two trays like this, you'll fill them up about halfway. And then when it's finished you can put them on top of each other, put a filling inside. Okay, so we need to grease it first actually as well. Just use that. So make sure that the tins are greased so that when you're taking it out, the cakes will come out very well and easily. Smooth them over so that they cover the whole of the tin. And that'll mean that your cake will be nice and widely spread. Make sure it's quite even, like that. And do it to the same to the other one as well. Now just time to put them in the oven. They go in the oven for about 20 minutes on gas mark 200 again, but we've preheated that so that's nice and warm now. Put them in there. And we'll just have to wait for 20 minutes now whilst they cook. Wait till they're brown on top and then we'll just take that out, leave that to cool down a bit. That one's gone a bit more brown. As well. So, make sure you remember to turn the oven off after, and we'll just leave them to cool for a few minutes. With strawberries and cream in this, and also jam in the middle. So those are our things to use.
This one? Yeah.
something in that side. So we're going to cut it into the shape of a heart because it's Valentine's Day, so it's special. So if I just make cut a bit. Not bad. Okay, so first of all, we'll just get the middle. We'll put a bit of jam in it, and we'll decorate the top with strawberries. So make sure that goes evenly across. Okay. Sorry. You can use any sort of jam that you want or any sort of filling, but I quite like jam and cream, so hold the cam above like that, and then just make like little dollar, and then put the top on. Make sure it's not coming out the edges. Like that. Then just put the top on as well.
Nice.
Do that for a few strawberries. Then we've got the edges done, and then we'll just place some strawberries pointing in. Wait, what's the best way to do this? There we go. That's sort of, you can still see the shape of the heart a tiny bit. That's how you make a heart-shaped cake for Valentine's Day. It's a good surprise for your boyfriend perhaps. Hope you enjoyed that.